Today is the era of multitasking and doing work faster. But we forget that by doing this, we sacrifice the most essential aspect, quality of work. Time has come when we pay attention to details. This video highlights the ways by which you can improve your attentiveness. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. Number 1. Make lists. Prepare notes about your work and your daily tasks so that you don't skip any important detail. Make a to-do list and write notes about your work. Make bullet points about the necessary details so that you can consult the list and perform your work properly. Keep an eye for details, and whenever you come up with any idea, just jot that down. While taking down notes, you get a lot to learn. So keep a notepad with you every time, if you wish to improve your attentiveness. Number 2. Avoid distractions. Don't divert your attention to the trivial matters and waste your time. There are more pressing situations that are yet to be taken care of than giving attention to those things which can be overlooked. It is upon you to segregate your work according to importance and urgency. Pay attention to detail to increase the productivity of your work. Many a times, a lot of people's energy gets drained in less important issues. It is in your discretion to control yourself and stop getting distracted. Have an eye for details and improve your attentiveness on things that matter. Number 3. Don't focus much on multitasking. Multitasking is good to a certain limit, and it has its own demerits. When you do several work at the same time, your mind has to focus on a lot of things and pay attention to the essential of each task. Excessive multitasking will reduce your work speed and will undoubtedly affect the quality of work. If you wish to improve your attentiveness, you have to give absolute focus to the work you do. While doing more than one work simultaneously, you divide your concentration, and paying attention to details becomes difficult. Number 4. Prioritize carefully. Prioritize your work carefully according to its need and importance. This is when your notes will play their part. When you make notes about your work, you will be able to know which one needs your immediate attention and which one can be saved to future dates. This process will help you to improve your attentiveness and complete the work on time. If you are unorganized and do your work haphazardly, you won't be able to achieve your goal. Proper planning will help you to keep an eye for details and bring good outcomes. Number 5. Concentration helps you to pay attention to detail. Whatever you do, you must do it with utmost concentration and devotion. Half-hearted work won't fetch you results, and will only increase the burden of work. Contrarily, if you concentrate enough, then you will be able to keep an eye for details. Don't let yourself taken away by distractions such as stress or anxiety, and just focus on the work on hand. Improve your attentiveness at work and excel in your professional career. These were some of the ways by which you can learn to pay attention to details at work. Sometimes, we all miss out on some important information while concentrating on the outcome. It is very important to maintain composure and focus on work quality. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.